Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome back to another episode of Two Wheel Talks. Grab your popcorn, get some drinks, and enjoy the show.
Alrighty, what's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Two Wheel Talks. Now today we're gonna be joined by our three mechanics. First of all, we've got Shelly, and we're gonna be asking our mechanics what the best and worst bikes to work on. Well, in their personal opinion, what are the best and worst bikes to work on? So, first things first, we got Shelly. Say hi, Shelly.
How's it, guys?
Here we go. Shelly is our head mechanic here at Dewet&Bikes. He's been with us now for coming up on around a year, probably.
Exactly a year.
Exactly a year. So, Shelly, tell us, speak to the people. What is your... Okay, let's start with the worst. In your opinion, what is the worst bike to work on?
That's difficult because you have a worst bike in road bikes, you have a worst bike in off-road.
Yeah. So let's actually do it like that. Your worst off-road bike to work on. Let's say that.
Worst quad to work on is a Bombardier.
Bombardier.
As you guys know in the previous interview, that's your worst bike to work on.
But why? You know, what's the main reason behind it being the worst?
The space. There's no space.
Space.
You struggle to get in, you struggle to work. If you want to do a spark plug, you have to sort of loosen the whole motor, tilt it around so you can actually get the spanner in to work.
Okay.
Same as on the off-road two-wheelers, KTM, same thing. You don't have space. If you want to do the motor and take it out, then it's lacquer. But just to change a spark plug, you have to lose engine mountings, turn the bike, get your spanner in, take it out. So that is the worst two bikes to actually work on.
Okay, so Bombardier for quads and KTM. Any specific KTM, or is it KTM from start to finish?
KTM, that whole range of KTM.
And then leading on to the road bikes, I saw you were sickling there in the back with was it 1190? 1190R.
Yeah, the 1190R, you have to strip the whole bike just to get to spark plugs again. Where it's 20 minutes work or an hour's work, if you want to take out the plugs, you're going over to 3 hours work, because you have to strip everything off the bike.
Okay, so it's all coming down to space, essentially.
Exactly.
And then I think with that, especially with the Bombardier, would you say it's not very user-friendly? Like, if I'm an everyday guy, I know a little bit of work around bikes, someone like me is not probably going to be able to go and work on the Bombardier.
No. Anybody can work on it.
Okay.
It's just some of them you struggle to get in to the position where you need to get out the plug.
Okay, no, fair enough.
Otherwise, motor-wise, because you only change a plug 50,000 Ks on road bikes, you can say 120 hours on off-road, so it's not an everyday thing. Let's say you ride 90 hours and you decide, listen, I want to change spark plug. It's 90 hours, you had fun, and then you're gonna go spend 3 hours just to get the spark plug out.
A few hours of not so much fun.
But it's also a good thing, because then you can actually see, listen, there's an easier way to do it. Then rather just remove everything, change a plug, where we actually made a tool that you can put in there to get it out.
Okay. So, I mean, if you got the right tools, it can make it a bit easier, but in general, it's pretty difficult.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's KTM's. Yes, shit.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next up we have the one and only Yaku, aka Baba Yaku.
Oh yeah.
Yaku, what's your least favorite off-road to work on?
KTM and Honda.
KTM and Honda?
Yeah, I'm still not satisfied with Honda. I mean, you still have to strip the whole subframe just to get the carburetor out. So, I mean, the KTM is the same.
Yeah.
KTM, Husqvarna, and Honda.
Hey, wait, careful what you say there.
Hey,
But
Husky and KTM are basically the same. Right?
yeah, that's fair.
So,
Unfortunately for me.
Yeah, so
Okay, so with the KTM's, it purely comes down to space. Well, you were also saying that you have to pull the subframe up.
yeah, with the KTMs to get the spark plug out, I don't know what KTM thought there, but you have to like make a tool to come from the side because your spark plug sits here and your frame is here. So how must you get your spanner in there? That's the problem.
So did you guys make a
Yeah,
tool?
we made basically, Shelly made a specific tool for that.
Okay.
It's basically on an angle so that it slides in. But again, it's difficult.
Okay.
The other day I stripped 390 Duke just to get to the spark plug. I had to take off the whole fairing kit, the tank. Yeah, I had to loosen the motor to drop the motor just to get to the spark plug.
Following along with what you just said, your least favorite road bike.
Road bike.
Yeah, to work on. Is it that KTM?
It's a Duke. It's a 390 Duke. Yeah, no man. And I had like an hour to do all that because it had to be delivered.
Oh yeah.
So the bike was starting, but it was misfiring and stuff. So Mr. Shelley gave me like 1 hour to fix it. So I was working under pressure there.
So to get to that spark plug, what did you have to do again?
Strip the fairings, take the tank off, loosen the motor. And then I had to send David because he didn't have that spark plug. He was running for that spark plug.
Oh.
And then he went to Midas, the car declined, he came back. It was like the car declined. I'm like, make a plan, I need that spark plug. And he's like, nah, he's just gonna let it wait until Monday. I'm like, this bike is going out 11 o'clock.
So it's just a bad experience working on KTM's all around.
No, that day I was stressing a lot.
Okay.
Felt like my heart was getting out of my chest.
Okay, next up we have Robbie. Robbie is our newest mechanic here.
On off-road, the bike which used to give me problem. It's normally it's a blaster,
Really? Just a blaster?
yeah, and a DTI. You know DTI?
The Yamaha DTs?
Yeah,
DT
yeah,
150?
Yamaha DT and the blaster. They are using same motor.
Okay.
So the problem with them is leaking petrol.
So the
Yeah.
DT and the blaster, you don't like working on those?
I do like because like
You have to.
you have to, but when it comes to leak petrol, you have to make right as well.
Yeah.
So that's
those
what I
ones-
don't like with those bikes. But anyway, when it comes to job, you don't choose.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
a bike comes in, you're gonna fix it no matter what, ne?
Yeah.
Sharp. Alrighty guys, next up we've got Devo. Now Devo doesn't normally do work on bikes in the workshop, however he's part of the workshop, so we have to include him. What bike here do you don't want to work on it? What's your least favorite bike?
like that the second one, that one there, what do you call it?
The Suzuki.
The Suzuki, that old one there. I don't like it. That one.
Why not? Why not?
Ah,
Devo? What's
because
wrong?
it's one of the old bikes, you understand? So and it's too heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Okay. So you like to work on any dirt bike
yeah, all the bikes. I just like to work with them.
as long as it's not a Suzuki.
Yeah, it's not that heavy one.
Okay, sharp. Devo, thank you very much, boss.
Oh, I appreciate
We're
my
gonna
friend.
see you in the next episode, ne?
Hola.
Sharp.
Chapara.